Hi everyone, Merry Christmas! Welcome to the 38th episode of Campus This Week. I'm Arjani from English Department Sonada, third semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. Day-long celebrations in Siliguri campus mark Christmas cheer. Pranadatta of MA English first semester reports.
On 21st December 2021, Salesian College Siliguri celebrated Christmas with separate events for students, faculty and Christian parents. The events held at three moments were held in the Killian Hall, open air. The college choir under Deans of Science and Arts entertained all with Christmas carols. The students' event started at 8:30 am with college choir singing Christmas carols. It was followed by Christmas message by Principal Father Professor George Thadathil. The students then had cake making competition among the 8 clubs. Cakes were ready within 2 hours and judged by the jury. Bosco Club occupied the first position, while Rua stood second and Mazzarillo came third. The event concluded with the distribution of Christmas cake and New Year calendar by the principal. The faculty event was held at Marengo Hall with Christmas message by the principal, followed by lunch in the Killian Hall. The faculty received cake and calendar and diary which got delayed in transit from Kolkata would be given later. The Christian Parents program put together by Christian students was held from 3:30 pm to 5:30 pm with carols by college choir, skit by hostel girls and a round tombola. The program ended with message from principal and potluck again.
2-day Intra-college Exsurge held with 20 events for all talents. Monica Gurung, Department of Mass Communication, third semester, reports.
Salesian College Siliguri campus organized an intra-college competition, Exsurge, Arise and Take Flight, on 16th and 17th of December. The 2-day event consisted of various competitions which were held at 3 different venues, Killian Hall, Marengo Hall and Nazareth Block. The events which took place in Killian Hall were instrumental solo session, bands and solo dance performances for which the judges were Mr. Prashant Tamang and Mr. Abhiratna Pradhan. In the Marengo Hall, the photography competition was based on the theme Pandemic, Vulnerability and Resilience with Mr. Divya Darshan Chhetri as the special guest of the day. In Nazareth Block, painting, sketching and collage making were the events for which Father Saju Puttasari and Father C.M. Paul were the judges. On the second day, 17 December, the events consisted of Western singing competition, beatboxing and Indian solo singing competitions for which the judges were Mr. Prashant Tamang, Mr. Dhirodatta Subba and Mr. Prashant Ezekiel Rai. For group dance, the judges were Mr. Binashri Ghosh and Ms. Pritha Chakrabarti. Poetry and stand-up comedy competitions took place in Marengo Hall, while doodling competition was held in the Nazareth Block. The 2-day event concluded with a much-awaited fashion show choreographed by alumnus Abhijit Chhetri based on the theme Incredible India. The judges were faculty member Mr. Anirban Ghosh and alumna and model Ms. Priya Darshini Bhattacharya. The event concluded with the prize distribution.
NSS Siliguri marks Victory Week honoring war veterans. Shaili Sarkar of Psychology Department, third semester, reports.
The NSS Unit 2 of Salesian College Siliguri organized a felicitation program for war veterans on 18 December 2021 during the Victory Week. The event also marked the 50th anniversary of the birth of Bangladesh and the 13-day Indo-Pak War of 1971. Leading 6 veterans and a war widow at this December 18 function was 86-year-old Captain S.B. Chetri of the Gorkha Rifles, which was part of the decisive Battle of Bogra to capture Dhaka, then capital of East Pakistan. Other eminent veterans present were Havaldar Duryodhan Tamang, Army Corps of Engineers, Captain Hemant Subba, Subedar Vijay Kumar Subba, Sena Medal, Havaldar M. Gautam Tamang, Subedar Tilak Ram Chetri, and war widow Isha Devi Thapa representing late Sub S.B. Thapa. The veterans were offered khadas and a plaque of appreciation that read, "With our greatest appreciation, Salesian College Siliguri NSS Unit 2 presents this memento to Salwari Purva Sainik Ardha Sainik Kalyan Samiti in recognition of their timeless service to the country on the occasion of Vijay Divas commemorating the 50th year of India's glorious victory in the Indo-Pak War of 1971.
You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College Sonada, Darjeeling. 7 colleges participate seminar on contemporary social and political movement. Sangeet Tamang of Sociology Department, third semester, reports.
Political Science and Sociology departments, in collaboration with IQAC, Salesian College Siliguri, held an inter-college seminar on 28 December 2021. 7 colleges under North Bengal University took part in the seminar cum PowerPoint presentation competition. The participating colleges are Southfield College Darjeeling, Government College Darjeeling, Sonada Degree College, Salesian College Sonada, Surya Sen College Siliguri, St. Xavier's College Siliguri, and Salesian College Siliguri. Assistant Professor at Center for Himalayan Studies in North Bengal University, Dr. Binayak Sundas, gave the keynote address. He spoke on how social and political movements are linked with each other and how the role of social movement is controlled by the narrative used in social media. Soon after his speech, the presentation round started, with 12 teams talking on various topics of contemporary sociology and political movements. Nigita Bhattarai from Government College, Darjeeling, secured the first position.
BBA students get hands-on learning at 2-week Calibre. Pratyusha Singha Roy of Mass Communication, first semester, reports.
The BBA department of Salesian College Siliguri organized a 2-week Calibre to teach as well as assess how much students have learned. The pre-events held between 6th and 20th December consisted of different events like stock market and sector auction, all concluding with the finals and board meeting on the last day, 20th December. Dean of Commerce Management and Vocational Studies, Mr. Patrick Johnson, with all the teachers of the Commerce Deanery, guided the students into organizing the event independently, thus facilitating practical learning. The 5th semester students were the event organizers and team mentors, while the 3rd and 1st semester students were the team members with a total of 10 teams named by the characters of the epic Mahabharata. There was a food carnival on 16th and 17th of December when the Intra-college Exsurge was held in order to raise money for the events scheduled on the final day. The teams were marked also on the revenue they generated through the food carnival. On the final day at the prize distribution, the Team Karna and Team Bhima secured first and second positions and were awarded with medals as well as certificates.
Sonada, photography competition held. Shreyasi Saha of Mass Communication, third semester, reports.
In order to enhance the skills and techniques for photography, the faculty of the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism of Salesian College Sonada organized a photography competition on 15th December. The theme was Unexpected Movement Captured in Town or Back to Normal Life Post-COVID by 14 December 2021. On 15th December, students presented their photo with a brief explanation about the picture they clicked. A total of 20 students participated for the competition, which was judged by HOD of the Mass Communication and Journalism Department and photography teacher Father Nirmal Topo, along with television program coordinator Mr. Bruno Thapa.
Salesian student selected for All India Radio Youth Program, Ahana Marji of English Department, 3rd semester, narrates her experience.
The All India Radio Siliguri had organized a youth talent hunt for the youth program where they were giving the new youth opportunity to represent their views on a particular topic. After recording All India Radio's youth program on the topic The New She with a 7-member team from Salesian College Siliguri on 10th December, I was selected as the best speaker to record another episode at All India Radio Siliguri on 20th December 2021. Recording of the Bengali language program took place in the All India Radio Siliguri studio under the supervision of AIR program producer Mr. Surojit Das. The broadcast is scheduled for 26 December 9 pm on All India Radio. The earlier program was broadcasted on All India Radio Siliguri at 6:10 pm on 24 December 2021. Both programs could be accessed by downloading the app Prasar Bharati Air News from Google Play.
Those are the latest news from campus this week. We wish you all a happy and prosperous New Year 2022. Enjoy the rest of your day.